In the previous class, we have studied the binary operation in that commutative and associative property, right? In this class, we are going to see the identity, inverse element and then binary operation table. Okay, then first see the identity definition. A binary operation starts from A cross A to A. An element A belongs to A. Here E is the identity element and that element should belong to the set A here. If it exists, is called identity for the operation star A. If A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. This is the condition for identity element here. Okay. For all A belongs to set A. Means in identity element A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. If you take any element for A, then and finally you will get its original number only. Then it is identity element. For example, if I put 1 in addition, you will get here 1 only, its original number. Like A star E is equal to, here you will get A only. In the same way, if here 1 means you will get 1 only. What number you have to add to get 1 only? If I put 0 means it is 1 only, right? So here 0 is the identity element. In the same way, here also 0 plus 1, then also you will get 1 only. It's like commutative property, right? So A star B is equal to B star A. Here also A star E and E star A should be equal to A only. Okay. So what, for example, you can take any 5. You will get 5 only. What number you have to add in identity element here? Then you will get same number as 5. Then if I put 0 means then only you will get 5. Here also if 0 plus 5 means you will get 5. So here E is the identity element. In addition 0 is the identity element in addition. Okay. So this is the identity element. Identity means it's don't want to lose the its own identity. Means if put A means you will get A only, but you have to select the identity number, such a number, you will get the same number or its original number. Okay, then this is the identity element. In addition, subtraction is not possible. I will give you. See here, if you put minus 0 means you will get 1. But here 0 minus 1 is, here 1 is not equal to minus 1. So subtraction is not possible in identity. Okay. Next, see for multiplication. In multiplication, if you put 0 means what happens? 1 into 0 is 0. This is not possible, right? What we have to get? We have to get the original number, same number of A. So here what we have to put in multiplication? If we multiply by 1 means we will get the original number here, right? So 1 into 1 is 1. Or you can take 8 into 1. Then we will get 8 only, right? Here also 1 into 8, that is, in multiplication the identity element is 1. In addition the identity element is 0, and in multiplication the identity element is 1. Okay, this is the identity element. Next we see the inverse property. Okay. Next is inverse. A binary operation start from A cross A to set A with the identity element E in A. Here also we see the identity element E should be in the set A. An element A belongs to A. This is the element A should also belongs to A. Is said to be invertible. For this A we can say as invertible with respect to the operation star. If there exists an element B in A, B is the another element that also should belongs from the set A, show that A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A. This is the condition of inverse property. Okay, and see here B is called the inverse and this B is called the inverse of A, and we denote it as A inverse for B. Okay. Here inverse the condition is what? A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A, right? Here the identity element is important and here no identity element inverse does not exist here. Okay. In addition, the identity element is what? 0. Right. And in multiplication, the identity element is 1. Okay. I told you in identity, in real numbers, you see 0 is identity for addition. Okay. 0 and whole numbers. But it is not possible for natural numbers. Okay. Because why? 0 does not belong to the natural numbers. So, 0 is not an identity element for natural numbers. Okay. Now see for this inverse. Okay. For addition, identity element is 0 and multiplication, the identity element is 1 here. Means if you put for inverse means you have to get for addition in place A. Okay. Suppose A, what value we have to add here to get the identity element for addition? See, this is addition, right? So inverse of this property what? A plus what number we have to add here to get 0 means you have to put minus A, negative A in addition, right? Whatever you will get, if you put the negative value of that, then you will get 0 here. So if I put minus A here means you will get 0, and here also minus A plus A you will get 0. For example, if I put 2 here, then what value we have to put here to get 0? That is important here. Okay, in place of B we have to search a number. We will get here identity element. Okay, so if I put minus 2, then we get 0 here. Okay, so in addition the identity element is 0 here. So this minus 2 is the inverse of 2. Right? This is for addition. For multiplication. For multiplication we are taking. Suppose A is given means we have for multiplication the identity element is 1, right? So the identity element is 1 here. What we have to write in place of B for multiplication here? If I put minus n means what happens? A into minus n is not equal to 1 here. So here I will write 1 by A, then we will get 1 here, right? So here also 1 by A into A means what you will get? A get cancelled, remaining is 1. We will get the identity element 1 in multiplication, right? For example, if you take 1 by 2, we will write first A, right? 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1, and here 1 by 2 into 2. Then what happens in multiplication? If you get cancelled, you will get 1. So in multiplication, the identity element is 1, and for addition the identity element is 0. Okay, this is the inverse. The next we see some problems on this. Okay, determine whether star is given binary, commutative or associative. We have to check here. Okay, given on Q rational number, we find A star B is equal to AB by 2. 1 by 1 we check. First is binary, next commutative and associative. Okay, what we given? A star B is equal to AB, right? So A star B is equal to AB by 2. I will consider A as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 2 star, 1 by 3 I will consider here, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 divided by, then what I will get? 1 by 6 divided by 2, I will get 1 by 12, right? So 1 by 12 belongs to rational number. So therefore star is binary operation. Okay, star is binary operation. Next we check it for commutative. Okay, for commutative, A star B is equal to what? B star A, right? For A star B, what they given? AB by 2 they given. For B star A, BA by 2. Of course, the multiplication is satisfies in commutative law, right? So if AB by 2 means what? 1 by 12. Here only I have got this answer. 1 by 12. Here also same. You will get 1 by 12 only, right? So B star B is equal to B star A. Therefore, star is commutative binary operation. Star is commutative binary operation. Okay. The next class one is associative. Check it for that. For associative, the condition is what? A star B star C. Right. For that, I am taking A star B. Means A star B means A B by 2 star C. Okay. I am considering this A star B as A B by 2 into star C. For this, now it is in the form of A star B, right? A star B means we have to write this is A and this is B. This both divided by 2 we have to write. So, AB by 2 into C divided by 2. For this, how can I write? That is ABC divided by 4. Okay. See here, A star B star C is equal to ABC. The next, I will write A star B star C. Right. For that, how I am writing? This is in the form of A star B. Right. Here, B star C there. So, A star. For this, and how I am writing is BC by 2. So, now it is in the form of A star B. For that, how I am writing? A BC by 2 divided by 2. Right. The next is A star B star C is equal to ABC divided by 4. Therefore, the associative also satisfied. Therefore, A star B star C equal to A star B star C. Okay. This is our, therefore, star satisfies binary operation, satisfies the commutative binary operation, and therefore star satisfies the associative binary operation. Okay, associative binary operation. Next, we see the binary operation table. Okay. Next is operation table. In operation table, when we are going to use this, in a set, the given less numbers. Okay, for example, set A is equal to, if I take 1, 2, 3. And here, we using the tables. Okay, by using the operation, here we use the symbol star, and then V this is, and this is wedge. By using 3, you are writing operation tables. Okay, the star means you will put the operations. Okay, now suppose if I take the numbers 1, 2, 3, right? Here star, I will take star 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Consider this is A, this row column is A and this row is B. Okay, you consider like that. In this, if they ask for minimum number or maximum number, I will take for minimum number. Okay, minimum number is how we are going to write this. In 1 and 1, the minimum number is 1. Okay, in 1 and 2, the minimum number is 1. In 1 and 3, the minimum number is 1, right? And here 2 and 1, the minimum number is 1. In 2 and 2, both the numbers are same. So here 2 I will write. In 2 and 3, the minimum number is 2. Here 3 and 1, the minimum number is 1. And here 3 and 2, the minimum number is 2. 3 and 3, the minimum number is 2. In this way, we are going to write the operation table. I have taken for minimum. If they ask for maximum is 1, 2. The maximum is 2 here. Okay. For 2, 3, the maximum is 3. Like that, you are going to write the table. In case if they ask for 2 star 1, we have to write the value of it. Okay. 2 star 1 is 1. Right. See here. 2 star 1 or 2 star 1 is you. Then also you will get 1 only. Here the commutative satisfies. Okay. You can take 3 star 2 or 2 star 3. Then you will get the same answer. 3 star 2 is 2 only, and 2 star 3 also it is 2 only. Okay. Now we solve some problems on this. Okay. See here the question is, consider a binary operation star on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the above multiplication table. Already they given the table. Okay. We have to compute 2 star, 3 star, 4 star 3 star 4. First one is 2 star 3 star 4. Then see here, I will write first 2 star, then 3 star 4 means here 3 star 4, right? 1, 3 star 4 is 1 here, right? 3 star 4 is 1 here. And then what they told? 2 star 3 star 4. For that 2 star 3 is 1. That is 1 star 4. Now you have to write 2 star 1 and 1 star 4. 2 star 1 is here, 2 star 1 is 1. And 1 star 4. 1 star 4 is also 1. Okay. So for this one, 2 star 3 star 4 and 2 star 3 star 4, the answer is 1 is equal to 1. Both the value get equal 1. Okay. Then we check it for second one. Each star is commutative. Which are each star is commutative. Commutative means we take any A star, commutative means what? Star is equal to 3 star. Take any two numbers. I will take 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3 already taken. So I will take 1 star 4 is equal to 4 star 1. Okay. What it will go? Check it. 1 star 4 is equal to 1 and 4 star 1 is also 1. Right. So 1 is equal to 1. So it is a commutative. The star is therefore star is commutative binary operation. Okay, star is a commutative binary operation. The next third one is 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. What they given? 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. Okay. First we write for 2 star 3. What they given for 2 star 3? 2 star 3 is 1, right? 1 star 4 star 5. What they given for 4 star 5 is 1 only, right? So 1 star 1 we have to check now. Okay. 1 star 1 is what? 1 star 1 is 1, right? So 1 star 1 is 1. Okay. Next see. Next question. Let star be the binary operation on n natural number given by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B here. Okay, they given. Find 5 star 7, 20 star 16. First one and second one is star is commutative. We have to check that. And third one also is star associative. We have to check that. Find identity of star in n. One by one we see. The first one is solution. 5 star 7 means here LCM of A and B they are given. So A star B is equal to what? LCM of A and B. So here I will take 5 star 7. LCM of A and B means 5 and 7. LCM is what? 5 into 7, that is 35. 35 belongs to natural number. Right? So it satisfies. Next we check it for 20 into 20 star 16. That is LCM of 20 into 16 is how much? 80. So 80 belongs to natural number. So it also satisfies. Okay. We next check it for second one. Is star is commutative or not? Okay. So commutative means you take this one only. If 5 into 7 is equal to 7 into 5. What it have? Both will get 35 is equal to 35 only, right? So A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore star is commutative binary operation, right? Commutative. Star is commutative. We next check it for associative. The third one. For associative, A star B star C. I will take consider A as 1, B as 2 and C as 3. Okay. So 1 into, this is LCM, right? So 1 into 2 into 3, that is 1 into 6. We will get 6. For A star B star C, what you will get? 1 into 2 into 3, you will get 2 into 3, that is 6. See here, this is this one. So A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Star is associate. A star is here associate. Right? Satisfies. Then last fourth one question is what they given. Find identity of star in N. Identity. This is multiplication, right? LCD is what they given. Here. Into means what? Multiplication. So in multiplication, the identity is in natural number 1. 1 is the identity element. 1 is the identity element in multiplication of natural number n. Okay, 1 is the identity element in multiplication of natural number. Okay, in this class we have studied the identity, element, inverse and binary operation table and problems on this. Okay, thank you.